I don't know where I left off. So we'll just go back to, there was this trim, my camera died, and these roses by Tim Holtz, and I love them. And these pretty pearls. This was on my list because when you start making a project, you start using pearls, you sure can go through a lot of them quickly. Oh, a chandelier die. How pretty. Thank you. I love dies. I don't know if my camera's going to stay with me or not. Oh, some filigrees. Some filigrees on jute. Thank you. Those are really pretty. Gosh, Jeannie, I love everything. Oh, Prima stamp. The dress form. I love dress forms. This one's really pretty. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I love this lace. Thank you for this stuff. This is really, really pretty. Oh, thank you. Is this what you did your tag out of? Yes. This is the Julie netting paper. Bellevue, how do you say that? Bellevue, not sure, but I like it. Thank you. Thank you. It's really pretty. Alright, so her handmade. I'm hoping it's one of her beautiful journals. Shouldn't say that because what if it's not? But she does make really pretty journals. Kind of known for that in our group. There it is. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is the Prima. Oh, I like how you use that lace and then you matted or what do you know, put the matte finish over it. That's a cute little charm. Very cute. It's got, oh, so she's got the elastic across the back. Yes! See, I got one. Because these are just amazing. She does such a good job. And all this cool type stuff in here. Good. Let's see. She has two She has two signatures and then this middle piece. Let's kind of flip through this because I don't know how long my camera's going to... But all kinds of fun papers in here. I'll take time and look through it. It's pretty staining, and she laid stencils down or something. Oh, it's so pretty. In the middle of it opens like that. Yeah, that snowflake. So pretty. She's got maps in here. So cute. Oh, thank you, Jeannie, because I've seen, you know, some that you've done like this, and they're so pretty, so now I have one. I love it. My wish came true. Oh, this is beautiful, Jeannie. Thank you. Thank you for everything. I love everything. This is Mary at minialbumscraps.ning.com.